Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two email outreach tools platform, which is Mailshake and ManyReach. So to get started with a quick overview, Mailshake is a leading core email outreach platform designed for sales teams, agencies and B2B marketers who want to automate personalized outreach campaigns across emails, phone and social media channels. It focuses on scaling outbound efforts while maintaining the personalization. So while ManyReach on the other side is a newer cold outreach tools that simplifies cold email with AI assistance, aiming to make it easier for individual and small businesses to connect with leads. It emphasizes ease of use, deliverability, and automation without overwhelming features. And talking about what these two platforms are best at, it's best for skills, teams, and agency scaling with multi-touch cold outreach campaign. On the other side, ManyReach is best for small businesses and solopreneurs wanting a simple and effective cold email outreach. Then talking about the downside about this platform, starting with the Mailshake, it has no built-in email warm-up tools and higher cost for small teams. On the other side, talking about the weakness of the ManyReach, it has a fewer advanced integration than the Mailshake and also lack multi-channel outreach, which is the email only. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So you can simply pick the Mailshake if you need a powerful outreach machine with multi-channel capabilities, automation, and CRM integration for sales driving teams. And others, I can simply choose the ManyReach if you are a small business or individual needing an ease to use affordable cold email tools with a solid deliverability for cost. So that's it. Let me know what you think in any of these two AI platforms. Thanks.